goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you all my wash hair day routine, deep conditioning after having in braids. This is the only brush I will be using on my hair today. It is from Cantu, and I will be using it to detangle my hair. So after having braids in my hair is extremely dry. It takes a minute for my hair to absorb the water. I'll be using the Suave detangling spray to get me through my detangling process. Because I cannot comb or brush my hair dry, it will hurt and pull out my hair way too much. I like to start at the ends of my hair and work my way up. It's easier to detangle and it's less breakage. Right after the detangling process, I like to go right into the shampooing process. I will be using all the Suave natural products in this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Now I will be using the leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to nourish and strengthen your hair for breakage. It makes your hair so soft. I love how easy it is to use my fingers to detangle and get the product through my hair.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on.
Now, before styling my hair, I will be going in with an oil. So today I'll be using the Cantu Tea Tree Hair Oil and oiling my scalp. It's supposed to protect against breakage and dry scalp. The tea tree is what helps with the dryness of the hair and scalp. Now I am going to style my hair with the Suave Curling Defining Cream. I like to keep my hair parted down the middle because it's easier to style during the week. I love the wet hair look and my curls stay moist and soft with these hair products. Thanks for watching my wash hair day routine. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see my shower routine, because that's what I did right after this, I showered. If you want to see my shower routine, go ahead and comment below and let me know. And yeah, join the family if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.